Welcome to the island of Flores in the Azores. This is the westernmost point of Europe. But this isn't where I started from. I started in Summerside, Prince Edward Island on the east coast of Canada. I spent 26 days on the open ocean getting here, and during that time there were encounters with freighters, I had fog, I had gale force wind, and I had plenty of great sailing days as well. But really interestingly, I also had plenty of encounters with whales and dolphins. But I'm getting way ahead of myself. Why don't I start at the beginning? It's Sunday, the 28th of July, 2019, and these good people have come out to help me cast off and wish me well. Two yachts from the Summerside Yacht Club escort me out of Summerside Harbor. It's always thrilling to sail under a bridge, and this particular bridge, at almost 13 kilometers in length, is the bridge that connects Prince Edward Island to mainland Canada. After transiting for almost 40 hours, we're approaching Port Hawkesbury on Cape Breton Island. Just to the left of that white light in front of Wave Rover is the canal, and the canal has canal gates that'll have to close, and they'll have to raise us up to the level of the Atlantic so we can pass through. Although it was late when we arrived in Port Hawkesbury, the mayor came down to greet us. Having said goodbye to family and friends, I'm now heading down the Canso Strait. That'll lead me to Chebucto Bay. Cleared Chebucto Bay. We're now on the Atlantic Ocean, and Canada's beginning to disappear behind me. sun rises the first morning at sea, I'm greeted with almost perfect sailing conditions. Canada is no longer in sight at all. This is the Mark III wind vane. For the next 25 days, it'll steer Wave Rover without me having to touch the tiller at all. I call it the Mark III because this is my third design, and it builds upon the issues of the first two designs. And I have no complaints about this at all. It did a great job in all wind conditions and steered the boat perfectly. Well, join me next week when the winds increase to gale force, and then the whales will show up.